Welcome to Shail's Kitchen, home of good food and good memories. Here's what's cooking in Shail's Kitchen today. Geera Porterhouse Steak. I prep my steak first by rinsing under cold running water. Then I seasoned with kosher salt and coarse ground black pepper to taste, fresh ground garlic, Worcestershire sauce, and some Geera. I'll be listing the ingredients and quantities in the description box below. Make sure to bring your steak to room temperature before cooking, and also just gently scrape off all that excess garlic and seasonings so that it won't burn when you're cooking. Melt the butter in the olive oil on high heat. Be very careful and gently place your steak into the hot oil and butter and let it sear on high heat. I like my steak medium rare, so I'm going to do mine a couple minutes on each side, and when I flip it over, I'm going to reduce the heat to medium-high. Let your steak rest at least 5 to 10 minutes before cutting. And now here's my favorite part. You know, I really love that subtle flavor of the Geera. It's not too much, it's just really delicious. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Shail's Kitchen, and follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. I'd love to hear your comments, so please leave them for me in the comment section below. Thank you so much for spending your time with me, and I look forward to seeing you next time on Shail's Kitchen, home of good food and good memories.